Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's lecture, let us study how to calculate Spearman rank correlation. In my previous lecture, I have explained you how to calculate Karl-Pearson coefficient of correlation by direct method as well as by deviation method. So in today's lecture, we are going to study how to calculate rank correlation. Now basically both the correlation, Karl-Pearson coefficient of correlation and rank correlation are used to know what is the correlation between two variables. How these two variables are correlated to each other. So by the methods scatter diagram, Karl-Pearson coefficient of correlation and rank correlation, we can easily find the correlation between the two variables. Okay, so now let's see the definition of Spearman's rank correlation. So the definition of Spearman's rank correlation is the Spearman's correlation coefficient is defined as the Pearson correlation coefficient between the rank variable. Okay, now in rank correlation we give the rank to the variables. So this is the definition of rank correlation. Now the formula to find the correlation between two variables is this. So this is the formula for rank correlation, Spearman's rank correlation. So R is denoted as rank correlation is equals to 1 minus 6 summation d square divided by n bracket n square minus 1 bracket close. So now here n means the number of observation, okay, in the particular example, and d square is nothing but a difference between the rank. Okay, so this is the formula. We are going to use this formula to calculate rank correlation. So I will repeat the formula again. R is equals to 1 minus 6 summation of d square bracket n bracket divided by n bracket n square minus 1 bracket close. Okay, now let's see one example how to calculate rank correlation. So this is the example given here. So in this example, calculate Spearman's rank correlation between the marks of two judges. Okay, so these are the marks of two judges. So marks by judge A is 81, 72, 60, 33, 29, 11, 56, 42, and marks by judge B 75, 56, 42, 15, 30, 20, 60, 80. So these are the marks, and we have to calculate the correlationship between these two marks which are given by two different judges, how the marks are correlated with each other. Okay, so marks by judge A, marks by judge B. So this is the question. Now solution. So for solution, prepare this table. Okay, first column will be marks by judge A, second will be marks by judge B, third will be rank of A and rank of B, third will be D, and last is D square. Okay, now rank of judge A means we are going to give the rank according to the marks. Okay, so now first of all, after preparing this table, write all the marks which have been given by judge A. Okay, so write all the marks which are given by judge A. 81, 72, 60, 33, 29, 11, 56, 42. Okay, now note down all the marks which are given by judge B. 75, 56, 42, 15, 30, 20, 60, 80. Okay, so now next is what we have to give the rank. Okay, now how you can give the rank? Okay, you know how to give the rank. Suppose the highest mark person will get the first rank, okay, or the lowest marks will get the last rank. It is like that. Okay, now see, so rank judge by marks by judge A. So rank of A marks like this. So you can give the rank in increasing or in decreasing order also. So now here what I will do in this example, in this particular example, I will give the rank 1 to the lowest mark and further. So by marks by judge A. So which is the lowest number here? 11 is the lowest number. So I will give rank number 1. After 11, which is the next number, smaller number? 29. So rank 2. After 29, next number is 33. Give the rank 3. After 33, 42. Give the rank 4. I am selecting here the smaller number, okay, smallest marks to the higher, smaller to higher I am going, or you can give the marks higher to lower also. There is no issue. It depends on, it is up to you whether to give rank from lower to higher or higher to lower. So here I am giving from rank from lower to higher. After 42, 56. After 56, 60, 6th rank. After 60, 72, 7, and last is 8. Okay, so I have given the rank to the marks which are given by judge A. Now same way you are going to give rank to the marks of judge B. Okay, now here you have selected from lower to higher. Okay, so same way you have to give the marks here also, like from smaller to higher. Okay, so which method you have applied for marks of judge A, same method you are going to use for rank of judge B. So which is the smallest number in marks by judge B? 15, rank 1. After 15, 20, rank 2. 30, 3. 42. After 42, 56. 60, 6th rank. 75, 7, and 88. Okay, so now here I have given all the ranks to marks by judge A as well as marks by judge B. Now D stands for the difference between the rank. Now what is the difference between both the rank A as well as rank B? So difference first is 8. So how you are going to find the difference? 8 minus 7. So 1 is the difference. 7 minus 2, 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Then 2 minus 3, 1. Now sign of the greater number, minus. Okay, so minus 1. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 5 minus 6, minus 1. 4 minus 8, minus 4. Okay, so these are the difference which I have got by of rank between rank A and rank B. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 4. Okay, now next is what? D square. D square is what? The square of D. Okay, square of 1 is what? 1. Square of 2, 4. Square of 2, 4. Square of 2, 4. Okay, square of minus 1. Square of minus 1 will be 1. Okay, square of minus 1, 1. Square of minus 1, 1. Square of minus 4, 16. Okay, so now I have got D square. Okay, now as per the formula, Okay, as per the formula, what do we require? 1 will be as it is, 6 will be as it is. Summation of d square. Summation of d square means what? Total of d square. Okay, so add 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, then add all this thing. Okay, 16, 1, 1, 4, 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 16. You get the answer 32. Okay, check whether even you are getting the answer 32. Mention in the live chat box. So summation of d square we have got. Now as per the formula we require n. N is nothing but the number of observation. So number of observation is what? Count the number of observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N is what? 8. Okay, so now we have got all the values as per the formula. Now we will put the values in the formula and then we will solve. Okay, by the time copy this table in your notebook. Okay, so now write down the formula and now put the values as per the formula. So r is equals to 1 as it is, minus 6 summation. Okay, now summation of d square is what? Summation of d square we have got 32. Okay, so write 32 minus n is what? 8. N means what? Number of observation. 8 bracket close. Again n square means 8 square minus 1 bracket close. R is equals to 1 minus, multiply 6 into 32. So if you multiply 6 into 32, you get the answer 192. Okay, check whether even you are getting the answer correct. Mention in the chat box. Now 8 as it is. 8 square is what? What is the square of 8? 64 minus 1 bracket close. R is equals to 1 minus 192 bracket 8. Now minus 64 minus 1, 63. R is equals to R minus 192 bracket divided by 8 into 36. Okay, now multiply 8 into 36. Sorry, 8 into 63. 8 into 63, you get 504. Okay, so if you multiply 8 into 63, you get the answer 504. R is equals to 1 minus, now divide 192 by 504. 192 divide 504. So the answer is 0.3809. Okay, check whether even you are getting the correct answer. 0.3809. Okay, now therefore R is equals to, now whatever answer you get by dividing 192 by 504, minus it by minus 1. Okay, so 1 minus 0.3809. So the answer is 0.6191 or maybe 90. So 0.6191. Okay, so this is the answer, 0.6191. Okay, so this is the correlation between the two variable. The correlation between the two variable is what? 0.6191. Okay, it is positive, so it is a positive correlation between marks which are given by judge A and marks by judge B. Okay, so this is the answer. So in this way you have to calculate the rank correlation between the two two variables. I hope you have understood how to calculate by using the formula and by giving the rank to the particular marks. You can give rank either by lower to higher or higher to lower. Okay, it depends upon you. Okay, so thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification.